Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete Pinterest account. So first of all, let's go ahead to the Pinterest app. And as you can see, you will see this is the home page. Just go ahead and scroll, and click the below right corner, the saved. And you will see right here your profile. So I'm gonna click on the settings here at the top right, and you're gonna see edit profile and account management. Just click on the second one and you will see deactivation and deletion. Just go ahead to delete your data and account. So if you want to proceed, just go ahead into continuing and tell them why you want to leave. And I'm gonna say I'm getting too many emails, or I accidentally made another account, or I'm concerned about privacy, or whatever reason that you want. So I'm gonna just choose this one, and I'm gonna just go ahead and click send email. I'm gonna wait up for a few moments. It says right here they send an email, so I'm gonna just check it out. Okay, and I'm gonna wait up for a few moments right here. As you can see, the last check to delete your account right here. We're gonna wait up, and if you want to delete this account, just go ahead, yeah, and you want to delete this account. And unfortunately it came in with me in Arabic, so but in a nutshell, that means that if you want to confirm that you want to delete your account, you just click the red button and you'll be able to delete your account. And if you changed your mind within the 14 days, within 14 days you'll be able to get back to your account. So they will give you like last last 14 days of being outside the Pinterest, but after that it will be deleted permanently. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.